This is a very serious mistake that most drivers make. Learn the correct way to charge your car battery. Almost all drivers do this the wrong way, and in this video, I'm going to show you why you might be making this mistake too. The first thing we need is a battery cable like this one. It usually comes in red and black colors. In addition, we'll also need another car to transfer the energy. Start by connecting the red cable to the positive terminal of the working battery. Next, take the black cable, which is the negative one, and connect it to the negative terminal of the charged battery. Then, take the other end of the cable and connect the red one to the positive terminal of the battery with the problem. And the black cable, connect it to the negative terminal. This is the process that almost all drivers follow. But this is completely wrong. Making this connection incorrectly can be a dangerous mistake. You run a big risk of short-circuiting your car's module, potentially damaging other electronic components. Additionally, this poorly done connection can cause overheating and even a fire, putting your safety and others at risk. Most drivers do this and don't even know the danger. So pay attention, because now I'm going to show you the correct way to avoid these problems. On the battery that is supplying the charge, connect the red cable to the positive terminal and the black one to the negative terminal. This process is fine, so let's leave it like this. The secret is in the other battery, which is where most people make the mistake. All manufacturers recommend that the connection be done this way, but almost no one follows the guideline. First, connect the red cable to the positive terminal of the battery that will receive the charge. Now pay attention. The black cable should not be connected to the negative terminal of the battery. Instead, you should connect this cable to a metal part of the car. This will serve as the negative, ensuring a safe connection. This is how manufacturers recommend making the connection to avoid problems. Now I'm going to start the car and show you how it works perfectly. First, you should start the car with the working battery. Once the car that will supply the charge is running, the energy transfer to the battery with the issue will happen automatically. However, it's very important to wait a few minutes before trying to start the car that will receive the charge. If you try to start it immediately, you might end up further draining the battery. And that will prevent the car from starting. And that's it. As you can see, the car with the dead battery has started. Now, it's just a matter of time until the battery is fully charged and working normally. Whenever you need to charge the battery, always remember the correct way to do it. Following this step-by-step will prevent headaches and future problems with your car.